Hello YouTube. On my last video I was doing these physics experiments and I had trouble getting rid of this window. And so after some research, it appears that I need to go over the documentation and learn about windows. So my next couple of videos are going to be about the window group. The first thing I tried was adjusting this window, and there's ways you can do that. One of them is to add this dot frame, and then you can adjust the width and the height of the window. So the first solution I tried was to make the window really small, or 0. And yeah, so you can resize this window. You add dot window resizability to content size and you can make the window really small, but that's not exactly what we want, right? So we want the window to go away entirely. So it turns out that a lot of that is in the info file. It's in this property, preferred default scene session role. You'll see these options: window application session role, volumetric window application session role, immersive space application session role, and compositor services immersive space application session role. That's kind of determining what will open when you create an app. So when you create a new project, you're given the option of initial scene and you're given the option of window or volume. So what happens when you choose volume? Let's see. When you load that up, you've got a volumetric window. So that's a little better. We don't have to see that window there. And in the content view, the way they achieve this is by creating dot window style dot volumetric. But that still has a window, and I wanted to create an app that only had an immersive space so I could do more physics experiments. So let's go back here to this first app, and that option is available, immersive space application session role. So let me just show you something real quick. First, if you did have window application session role selected here, what would happen if you deleted the window group? So let's try. Well, you get an error. It says your app was given a scene with session role, UI scene session role, UI window scene session role application, but no scenes declared in your app body match this role. So there's an error, it won't let you do it. It seems to require a window group. Well, that's because you had window application session role as your preferred default scene session role. So let's try an immersive space application session role, and let's run that. Okay, there you go. So we don't have to have the window, we can have the immersive space. And that's the end of my video. I think for the next videos I'm going to go over more things you can do with the window, talk about VStack, and go over the options you can have for your windows. Thanks for watching.